Okay, we've let our head set up. So we're going to sand this down in here a little bit to get it smoother with that. Before we do that, we're going to put our back piece in. Make sure it all fits.
Put those together in 6 simple steps. In just over a half hour, you have this delicious sandwich and fries that you made at home with help from
So we'll try this piece, which is going to go there. It's fitting. So we'll glue this in.
Protein smart options like the one-pot pork and black bean chili or the creamy Dijon dill chicken. What am I talking about? Well, HelloFresh does the shopping. They do the measuring. They send you the kit. You put it together and have great restaurant quality food. Sometimes in as few as 10 minutes. So check this out.
And we'll put a staple in here to hold it.
Check out HelloFresh. It's going to be cheaper than groceries and 25% cheaper than takeout. Pre-portioned ingredients, more than 40 weekly recipes to choose from. All kinds of
That'll hold it steady for us so we can clamp it. And we'll check this side.
Today for 60% off plus free shipping. The code is BTShow60. What you do is you go to HelloFresh.com/BTShow60.
And then we'll glue this side in.
That code is BTShow60. You'll need it a couple of times at HelloFresh.com/.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
And a song from Pat Godwin. This is the Bob and Tom Show. This report is sponsored by Ohio Laborers and Ohio Listen.
Take this out. Put a clamp on it. So now we'll set this up, let it set up and dry good. And then we'll come back.
Austin is a 9-year member working at E.S. Wagner. Build Ohio right. Build a union. The only three words you need to know. Alan Miller Jewelers. Hi, Alan Miller here from Alan Miller Jewelers.
Okay, so before we put our sides on,
Craziness at Alan Miller Jewelers with savings up to 60% off. For the right diamond at the right price, get to Alan Miller Jewelers. Right now, get a beautiful 14-karat.
these last two pieces are going to be glued on here.
Now for only $1,980. Or a beautiful halo pear-shaped diamond engagement ring that was originally $89.95. Now for only $35.95.
Grandpa, are you crazy?
Yes, Jacob, I am. That's why I'm offering up to 60% off. Whether it's a Starfire lab-grown or an earth-grown diamond, we have it all. For great jewelry savings.
So we're going to sand this down now, and then we'll glue these pieces on. Thanks for watching.